Herbs and spices have long been used for their abilities to help promote our overall health, increase our intake of healthy nutrients, and for their medicinal benefits. Two herbs, garlic and ginger, offer all of these benefits, and when combined and mixed together, offer a nutritional powerhouse that contains medicinal benefits. You can make and consume them as a paste, add them to healthy recipes, let them simmer in warm water and tea, or even add them to your favorite smoothie recipes. When buying garlic and ginger, try to purchase organic varieties, as these contain the most nutrition. Now, let's discuss some of the amazing health benefits of consuming garlic mixed with ginger. First, a mixture of garlic and ginger is considered a nutritional powerhouse due to the many vitamins, minerals, and other unique compounds they contain. Garlic is a great source of nutrients such as manganese, vitamin B6, vitamin C, selenium, calcium, and copper, to name just a few. It also contains a potent compound known as allicin, which is especially healthy for our bodies, as well as sulfur compounds and antioxidants. Ginger is also loaded with nutrition. It contains some nutrients, but more importantly, contains a potent compound known as gingerol, which offers many health benefits. Ginger is also loaded with anti-inflammatory compounds. Garlic and ginger can also help to boost the immune system and improve immune system functioning. Studies have shown that consuming garlic regularly can not only help to reduce common cold and flu symptoms, but help to prevent it in the first place. It can also help to reduce the length of common cold and flu symptoms, while also preventing other diseases due to its great levels of antioxidants, nutrients, and sulfur compounds. Ginger can also help to prevent certain diseases. This is largely attributed to the healthy compound gingerol, a bioactive compound found in ginger that has medicinal properties and potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant abilities. Consuming garlic and ginger together can also help to promote the health of our heart many different ways, while also reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. Both garlic and ginger are very heart healthy. The active compounds in ginger can help to reduce and regulate blood pressure. In fact, studies have found that garlic can have a significant effect on reducing high blood pressure. Also, garlic can help to lower both bad LDL cholesterol and total cholesterol, as studies have indicated. Ginger is also beneficial for reducing the risk of heart disease. Studies show that it can help to lower bad LDL cholesterol levels, as well as total cholesterol and triglycerides in the body. It can also reduce inflammation that can compromise our cardiovascular system. This mixture can also help to improve cognitive function, and perhaps most importantly, can help to reduce the risk of developing cognitive ailments such as Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Garlic contains antioxidant compounds and other potent and unique compounds that can support the body's protective mechanisms against oxidative damage and free radicals, which can lead to cognitive disorders. Also, garlic has been shown to increase antioxidant enzymes, which may also reduce the risk of brain disorders. Ginger can also help to reduce oxidative stress and chronic inflammation, two potential disorders that can lead to age-related cognitive decline and Alzheimer's disease. Also, studies have shown that ginger can directly enhance brain function, and along with its high levels of antioxidants and bioactive compounds, can reduce inflammatory response that can occur in the brain. Always discuss with your medical practitioner for further treatment and prevention methods in this regard. Lastly, consuming a mixture of garlic and ginger can help to improve digestion and reduce digestive ailments. The sulfur compounds in allicin in garlic can help to promote the health of the digestive tract, while also promoting proper digestion. Also, the good levels of antioxidants and other nutrition can help to reduce inflammation throughout the digestive tract, which can reduce the symptoms of digestive ailments. Ginger is great for promoting proper digestion. It can even help to treat chronic digestive issues. Ginger has been shown to increase and speed up emptying of the stomach, which can reduce indigestion symptoms, along with pain and bloating. It can also help to increase nutrient uptake from the healthy foods we eat. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.